In this lesson, we're going to multiply radical expressions with more than one term. So this first problem, we're going to multiply two binomials, and there's radicals in these binomials. This is going to be similar when we multiplied binomials earlier in the semester. So in order to multiply and keep track, we're going to go back to that word FOIL, first, outer, inner, last. So multiplying the first terms, we end up with 2 radical 3. Outside terms will be minus radical 3 times radical 10. Inside terms will be plus 2 radical 15. Last will be minus radical 15 times radical 10. So we have 2 radical 3 minus radical 30 plus 2 radical 15 minus radical 150. Now, can any of these radicals be simplified? Just the square root of 150. 150 is 25 times 6. So simplifying further, we have 2 radical 3 minus radical 30 plus 2 radical 15 minus square root of 25 is 5, and then radical 6. Now, can we combine any of these terms? And the answer is no. They are not like radicals, none of them. They all happen to be square roots, but the radicands are all different, so there's no further simplifying, and you're done. The next problem, we're going to take a binomial with a radical in it and square it. So the base, which is 2 square root of 5 minus 1, is being squared, so you need to multiply it by itself. And again, we're going to FOIL or multiply. So 2 times 2 is 4. Radical 5 times radical 5 is radical 25. Outside terms will have minus 2 radical 5. Inside terms will have minus 2 radical 5. Last is plus 1. Now, square root of 25 is 5. Now, here we do have two like radicals. They both have radical 5 in here. So minus 2 and another minus 2 gives us minus 4 radical 5 plus 1. So we have 20 minus 4 radical 5 plus 1. Here you can combine the 20 and the 1 for 21 minus 4 radical 5. Lastly, we're going to take two binomials, and their only difference is their sign. These are called conjugates. So multiplying, we can use our word FOIL to help us keep track of our multiplication. 3 radical 7 times 3 radical 7 is 9 times the square root of 49. Outside terms, minus 2 times 3 radical 7. Inside term, plus 2 times 3 radical 7. And last, positive 2 times negative 2 is minus 4. So here we have 9 times radical 49 is 7, minus 6 radical 7, plus 6 radical 7, minus 4. Now here we have two like radicals, but what happens here? They are additive inverses, so they add up to 0. They're gone. 9 times 7 is 63 minus 4. 63 minus 4 is 59.